Welcome to Microcom. For over 40 years, we have built products for customers using our talented engineering staff and support team.
Since 1982, Microcom's mission has been simple: produce high-performing, flexible thermal printing solutions for you.
In purchasing, our focus is on quality, on-time delivery, and competitive pricing.
Our approach is consultative, not transactional. We listen closely, ask the right questions, and deliver targeted solutions that fit our customers' goals. No guesswork, just results.
Glad we were able to resolve your issue. Bye. At Microcom, service doesn't end with the sale. We provide long-term support and access to real people who know your product.
Whenever you buy a product from Microcom, you get quality support. If you have to call in, you're going to talk to a human being. You're not going to talk to a script or somebody who has answers memorized. You're going to talk to somebody you know.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about Microcom Corporation. We'd love to find a suitable solution for you, because when you work with us, you're not just buying a printer, you're gaining a partner.